If you can scroll through reels for 2 hours but cannot watch a long form video for 20 minutes, you don't have a focus problem. You have a dopamine issue. आजकल सब बोल रहे हैं आई कैन नॉट फोकस एनी मोर, यार मैं इतना लंबा नहीं बैठ सकता, मुझसे ध्यान नहीं लगा के काम होता है. But the truth is, your brain has now been trained for speed. Physiologically, the explanation for this is dopamine. डोपामीन क्या है? डोपामीन एक न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर है, या फिर बहुत इजीली समझने के लिए हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये हमारे ब्रेन का रिवॉर्ड केमिकल है. When we see something new, something exciting, there is a rush of dopamine, and every reel instigates some amount of release of dopamine. Because of this, your brain is now looking for excitement instead of something boring. Hi everyone, my name is Nayantara. I'm a counselor and psychologist, and I'm here to help you to get to know yourself better. Today we are talking about dopamine and instant gratification. क्यों हम लॉन्ग फॉर्म्स की जगह शॉर्ट रील से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं फोकस कर पाते? Let's find out why. What is happening today? YouTube आप खोलते हो या फिर जब आप Instagram खोलते हो तो आप स्क्रॉल करते हो. What you scroll through is usually for a very short time period. For example, each reel would be less than a minute. Reel gives you a quick reward. You swipe and there is new content. So every few seconds, your brain can be stimulated for something new, something entirely different and very exciting. आपका brain अब expect कर रहा है fast, easy and constant reward. So problem is not in watching reels. Problem comes when you sit down to do work that takes longer than a few seconds or a few minutes, which means जब आप अपना काम करने बैठते हो, आप पढ़ाई करने बैठते हो या कुछ ऐसी लंबी वीडियो पे फोकस करने बैठते हो जो 15 या 20 मिनट की हो, वो ज्यादा एफर्टफुल लगता है, स्लो लगता है और बहुत ही ज्यादा बोरिंग लगता है. इन रियलिटी इट इज नॉट दैट द वर्क इज बोरिंग और लॉन्ग, क्योंकि हम मूवीज भी देखने जाते हैं, राइट? बट वी डोंट फाइंड दैट बोरिंग. पीपल sat through 4 hours earlier and even today to watch movies or constant videos one after the other. But the problem is that because of the real pattern of watching and being stimulated only for a few seconds, our mind is now looking for a rush. As social media users, we should be aware that our issues are not one-sided. ये इसलिए नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि आपका डिसिप्लिन कम है या आप कुछ लैक करते हो. ये इसलिए भी है because a lot of the media that we are using is connected to algorithms that are tracking our likes, our dislikes, and our user behavior. It is designed to make us more addicted to it. इनफैक्ट हाल ही में यूएस के एक कोर्ट ने बिग टेक कंपनीज को एक वार्निंग दी है कि इन्फिनिट स्क्रॉल की वजह से हमारा कंटेंट यूसेज बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है and it is irresponsible on their part to provide such a feature. However, as users, we don't pay attention to that. So the issue is not just a lack of discipline alone on your part, it is also the constant conditioning that happens to us when we are exposed to this media. Constant activation of dopamine because of the design of the reels and the content that we are consuming. So, what is the takeaway for us? Today, I want to give you 2 easy takeaways that you can implement right now. सबसे पहले, reduce easy dopamine, which means हर free moment में फोन मत उठाओ. Keep a place जहाँ पे आप फोन रखोगे, स्पेशली जब आप खाना खाते हो या काम कर रहे हो, अपने फोन को एक तरफ रख दीजिए. Don't constantly keep checking your phone or using it. In fact, one of the videos we've done before this is on productivity and how constantly doing too many things together can interrupt our productivity. You'll find the link here for this video. So in that same way, when we constantly keep opening our phone, it activates our mind again and again. So find time and places जहाँ पर आप अपना phone बंद करके रख सकते हो and create small no scroll windows. The second, build tolerance for boredom. Yes, it is very important for your brain to get bored. The brain is actually more activated and gets more creative when you allow it to get bored. When we are constantly stimulating the brain actually feels tired and exhausted after a while. पर जब आप कुछ नहीं करते हो और ब्रेन को बोर्डम का टाइम देते हो तो ब्रेन रिलैक्स भी हो जाता है और उसकी वजह से और क्रिएटिव भी हो जाता है. So start with 10 minutes of no distraction and gradually increase that into longer periods of time where you are not constantly using your screen or constantly scrolling. If you want to consume media, try and use and watch long form videos over short reels. So to close, अगर आपको अपना फोकस वापस बनाना है तो अपने ब्रेन को ट्रेन कीजिए स्लो रिवॉर्ड्स के लिए, लॉन्गर कंटेंट के लिए और लेस डिस्ट्रैक्शन के लिए. आई एम श्योर यू विल सी द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ दिस if you actually apply it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it helps your productivity and your engagement at work. I do hope that you liked it. Do click the like button if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, and do share this video with a few friends who you think will really benefit from it. Thanks for watching.